GMO or genetically modified organism is a plant, animal, or microorganism whose DNA has been changed using genetic engineering. This means scientists transfer a specific gene from one organism to another to give it a desired trait. Genetically modified organisms are often used in agriculture to make crops more resistant to pests, diseases, or herbicides, and sometimes to improve their nutritional value. In simple terms, genetically modified organisms are created to make food production more efficient and beneficial.
Here in the Philippines, there are several examples of GMOs. First is BT corn, which is resistant to corn borers, helping farmers reduce pesticide use. Next is Roundup Ready corn, which can survive herbicides, making it easier to control weeds. We also have golden rice, a special type of rice that contains vitamin A to help fight vitamin A deficiency in children. Another one is BT eggplant, or BT talong, which resists pests and requires fewer chemical sprays. Lastly, GM soybean, and canola are mostly imported and used for animal feed and food products. In summary, GMOs help farmers produce more food, protect crops from pests, and improve nutrition.
Moving forward, let's now discuss some of the main benefits that makes GMOs valuable. Number one is combating malnutrition. GMOs help fight malnutrition by adding vital nutrients to staple foods. An example of this is golden rice, which is fortified with beta carotene to help combat vitamin A deficiency, especially in developing countries. Second is drought and stress resistance. Through genetic engineering, crops like drought-tolerant corn can survive with less water. This innovation allows farming in dry regions and supports food production even during harsh climates. Third is pest resistance and reduce pesticides. Some GMO crops like BT corn naturally resist pests. This reduces the need for chemical pesticides, cutting farming costs and protecting the environment. Fourth is sustainability and food affordability. Because GMOs grow with fewer resources and yield more, they promote sustainable farming. These efficiencies help lower food prices and strengthen local farm economies. Lastly is extended shelf life and reduced waste. GMOs can also last longer before spoilage. This reduces food waste and allows products to reach more people around the world.
Good day, everyone. Today, I'll be sharing the positive impacts of GMOs in the Philippines, especially on farmers, consumer, the environment, and our economy. For farmers, crops like BT corn have really helped increase their harvest and income. Some farmers even doubled their yields because BT corn is resistant to pests. It also helped them to save money since they don't need to use as much as insecticide, which means less cost and less exposure to harmful chemicals. For consumer, golden rice provides affordable nutrition, especially for communities that lack access to vitamin A. When it comes to environment, GMOs help to reduce insecticide use, which protects helpful insects and lessen chemical pollution. And overall, GMOs bring economic benefits like higher productivity and reduced health costs from vitamin A deficiency. In short, GMOs plays a vital role in improving the lives of Filipinos, from better harvest and safer farming to a healthier and more sustainable society.
Genetically modified organisms or GMOs in the Philippines have been widely criticized for causing adverse effects that extend beyond the food sector. Environmentally, GMOs contribute to biodiversity loss, soil degradation, and the cross-contamination of native crops, threatening the country's rich agricultural ecosystem. Economically, they foster dependence on foreign corporations through patented seeds and costly farming inputs, weakening the autonomy of Filipino farmers and reducing local seed sovereignty. Socially, the dominance of GMO-based agriculture undermines traditional and sustainable farming practices, while ethically it raises concerns about corporate control over public resources and national food systems. Although government agencies like the National Committee on Biodiversity of the Philippines regulate GMO use, many critics argue that the technology prioritizes corporate profit over ecological stability, farmer welfare, and the long-term security and independence of the nation's agricultural future.
Genetically modified organisms can help the Philippines achieve food security, reduce malnutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture. With pest-resistant and nutrient-rich crops, farmers can boost productivity and lessen losses from pests and climate challenges. GMOs also improve public health by enhancing the nutritional value of staple foods. However, their use must be guided by strict regulations, research, and ethics to ensure safety for people and the environment. With proper management, GMOs can drive national progress and the food secure future for the Philippines.